That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen.
When I'm all alone, that's all I wanna do. Out of town business, all the time we spend together makes it hard to get you out.
Everything that me and you talked about.
Hey, you already read that title. Dairy Queen has some new blizzards, and I haven't ate all day anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get me some food, and I'm gonna try that blizzard. King, why is you crying? And look at him, want to get on my lap while I'm driving. Sit down. If you're gonna be here, sit down. I'm about to go to the skating rink. Hey, I ain't been skating in 3 weeks because I had an infection on my leg, but that's okay because we're going today. And I looked on Instagram, and today is the free skating. It's gonna be free today. What's the matter, him, baby? Hey, don't lick me in my mouth. Oh, your breath stink. Stop.
Welcome to Dairy Queen. Just a moment, please.
Okay.
Welcome to Dairy Queen. How can I help you?
Okay, hello. Can I please have a 4-piece chicken strip basket,
Dipping sauce.
honey mustard?
You want to add a drink with that, ma'am?
Are you gonna charge me for water?
Anything else? No, ma'am.
Okay, a water, and also can I have a small cinnamon roll center blizzard?
Anything else?
They got the blizzard today, so we about to, you feel me? And I got me a chicken strip basket. I'm about to chow down. King about to be so mad because he's about to get up in that carrying case because why you keep bothering me? Sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Good boy. What, you looking for a treat when I say good boy? King is a lot, y'all. King is a lot. He's a lot. He's a lot, but it's okay. Dairy Queen. That's what I just got. Chicken strips. I'll brush your hair. Let me cater to you. Can I have ketchup? Is there ranch and honey mustard in there? Ooh, this looks so good. Okay, thank you. You too. Hey, I got my stuff, baby. The rink can wait. I'm about to pull over and chow down real quick. It looks so good. I'm so excited to try this. Look, y'all. And I love cinnamon rolls. King, can you please be quiet so I can try my cinnamon roll? Please. It smells so... Oh, no. I love this. It got big old cinnamon pieces in there.
Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
Hey! Hush. I can't finish that, y'all. It's too much. Chicken tender basket with honey mustard and ranch.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you do what you want.
Before I stop this part, I just want to rate the cinnamon roll blizzard a 10 out of 10. Especially if you like cinnamon rolls. Like, they got the cinnamon roll chunks in there. And it's just so cinnamony and good and cold and refreshing. So if you like cinnamon, I don't know how long they're gonna keep it there. It said for the month. That's what it said on the menu. But on my phone, when I seen the ad, it was like a new one every day. So I don't know. Excuse me.
Ay, look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on it.
None of these chicks came for my baby. None of these chicks came for my baby. But yeah, I'm about to get out and show y'all a fit check because your girl looking good, looking mighty good, looking mighty good. The anointing, the blessing is showing, my baby. All right, we're gonna start with the kicks. Start off with the kicks, you feel me? And then see the fit, see the fit. Look at my baby. You ready to go in now? I look good, I look good. Hey, King. What up, though? What up, though? Hi, baby. Hi. I need to wipe my camera off. It's a little dirty. I think Skyline got a new floor because it's still shiny. Like, you know how when you clean the floor and it gets shiny? But people been rolling on it for weeks and it's still shiny. So I think they got a new floor. Today, I got in here free. I told y'all. Uncle's over there shining his boots. Look at him go. Go, 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 go.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck up from the back and she nasty, killing her. Know how I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Megan. This little thing here style you. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reverse. Got up on the dick and ride this shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in your new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, ayy. Look, I don't be stressing about none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks cause they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser. Move to the top, one flew in my dresser. My bitches hustle, make money together. Yo bitches bursting, they flocking together. I can't decide if I want the new Louis. Dapper Daniela, I'm always in Gucci. Yo mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be choosing. With no, oh you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen.